advantages and disadvantages regarding that plant. Okay, we shall discuss about the wave, sea wave energy. Okay, waves get the energy from the solar energy, wind. How it will get energy means waves will get energy from the solar energy through the wind. Okay, wave energy will never depleted as long as the sun shines. It is a natural resource which is available, right? So yeah, that energy will be never get depleted. It will never become end for that. Okay, until sun shines. The energy intensity may, however, it may be some variation. Energy it may decrease and increase. Like that, it may be variation, but it is available 24 hours a day in the entire year. Movement of the ocean water and the changing water wave heights and speed of the swells are the main source of wave energy. What they are saying is movement of the ocean, okay, movement of the ocean and the changing water wave height may be increased, decrease, okay, it may increase, changing water wave height and also speed also important. Speed of the swells are the main source of wave energy. If you watch videos in YouTube, you will understand how it will be. Okay, the kinetic energy in the wave motion is tremendous that can be extracted by the wave power devices from either the surface motion of ocean waves or from a pressure fluctuations below the ocean surface. There are two methods we can get kinetic energy. Either in the wave motion will be always continuous, right? And so the energy can be extracted by the wave power devices from either the surface motion, okay, either it may be a surface motion of a ocean waves or from the pressure fluctuations below the ocean surface. Okay, either two, by using two methods also we can extract the energy from that. Okay, motion in the sea waves. When the wind blows across smooth water surface, air particles, that is the air particles from the wind that will grab the water molecules they touch. Okay, stretching of the water surface by the force of friction between the air and the water, it will create a waves, that is a small wave ripples. Okay, and the surface tension acts on these ripples to restore the smooth surface and thereby waves are formed. How the waves are formed means stretching of the water surface. That means stretching, okay, like this stretching of a water surface by the force of friction between air and also the water. Water will create a capillary waves, that means small ripples. Okay, it's small ripples. Due to that action or due to that small here waves are formed. Okay, surface tension acts on these ripples to restore the smooth surface and thereby waves are formed. The combination of force to due to the ground, sea surface tension and wind intensity are the main factors of origin of sea waves. How the origin of sea waves, that means how the sea waves are formed means the main factors are due to gravity, sea surface tension and wind intensity. These by these combinations only the sea waves are originated or it will be formed. Okay, the formation of sea waves by a storm, that is a wave size is determined by wind speed and fetches. Okay, fetches nothing but the distance over which the wind excites the waves and by the depth and the topography of this abed. Sea waves have a regular shape at far distance from the focus or disperse the energy of the waves. Okay, here A wave is forward motion of energy and not the water in deep sea. In true sense, the sea water does not move forward with a wave. Waves are categorized by the following parameters. We can say that in different ways: crest, trough, wave height, amplitude, wavelength, and next this figure crest. First, crest means here from here to here. This we call a crest. Okay. The peak point on the wave is called the crest. That means it is a peak point on the wave. Okay. For example, if this is the wave, this peak point is called a crest. Okay. That is from here to here, h height. Okay. H. Next, trough. Trough means the valley point on the wave is called the trough. That is lowest point. Okay, the lowest point is called the trough. You can see here, this is a trough, the lowest point. Okay, the lowest point is called the trough and the highest peak point is called the crest. And what about the wave height? From crest to trough, the height difference between the, that is a crest to trough, that is wave height. Okay, wave height is a vertical distance between the wave crest and the next trough. Okay, next is what there was amplitude. Okay, amplitude, how we can say amplitude? H by 2 they have written. Okay, h by 2, it is defined as h by 2 amplitude. Next, wavelength, lambda, wave propagation from here to here, wave length. Okay, from one wave to one cycle. That means, for example, if it is one cycle, this is nothing but wavelength. Okay, this is nothing but wavelength. Like this, wave propagation from here to here, peak to peak, and lambda. Okay, that is nothing but wavelength. It is the horizontal distance either between the two successive crests. Okay, between the two successive peak points or two successive crests or trough of the ocean waves, or we can say, we can consider the below lowest point. Okay, now that is nothing but wave propagation or wavelength. Okay, not wave propagation, wavelength. Wave propagation is equal to, that is velocity, the motion of sea in the sea water in a direction. Okay, sea water in a direction, in which direction it is going. Okay, motion of a sea wave water in direction, that is meters per second. That is nothing but wave propagation. Next is a wave period, T, capital T. It measures the size of the wave in time seconds. It is the time required for two successive crests. For example, if you might have seen, you have learned about electronics like that, right? If you have not read also, this is a one cycle. Okay, this will be 360 degree. Usually we say, and that is in this total time is capital T we consider. Okay, capital T, that is nothing but, usually we consider like this, but in wave they are considering the two waves. Okay, two waves from here to here, it will be lambda and also it will be time. Okay, capital T. The number of, it is the measure the size of the wave in time seconds. It is the time required for two successive crests or two successive troughs to pass a point in a space. Okay, and next frequency. Frequency here, the number of peaks or troughs that pass at a fixed point per second is defined as the frequency of a wave. For example, this is a f is equal to what? F is equal to 1 divided by t. Okay, frequency is equal to 1 divided by time. That is the number of peaks that pass a fixed point per second is defined as the frequency of wave, and it is f is equal to 1 by t. Okay, I have already said f is equal to 1 by t. Usually we write. Next, power associated with the sea waves. It has been concluded that by researchers through linear wave motion theory, the kinetic and potential energy of a wave per meter of crest and unit of a surface can be expressed as E is equal to, that is rho g a square divided by 2. That is, rho is nothing but density of water, g is nothing but gravity acceleration, a is nothing but amplitude of the wave, and yeah, h is nothing but height. Okay. Next, the power that a meter of the crust holds can be obtained by multiplying the amount of energy. Here we need calculating the power we need to calculate. Okay, P we want total power in deep water dispersion, that is K is given as K is equal to W square divided by G. Further, group velocity Vg is equal to W divided by 2K, that is equal to, we know the value of K, they are substituted, you will get G divided by 2W. Okay. P is equal to how much you will get? E into Vg, that is equal to rho Ga square divided by 2 and G divided by 2 omega. So if you calculate, you will get P G square A square divided by 4 into omega. Further, wave period is nothing but capital T is equal to 2 pi divided by omega. 2 pi divided by omega. If you substitute the value of omega 2 pi f, you will get T is equal to 1 by f only. Instead of writing 1 by f, they have written like this. Okay, 2 pi divided by omega. If you substitute the omega value as 2 pi f, then you will get 1 by f. 2 pi get cancelled, you will left with 1 by f. Instead of writing that, they have written like this, 2 pi divided by w, or we can say omega, or omega is equal to 2 pi divided by capital T, and alpha, that is A.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am.